Alright, so Spencer or Ninja Expert told me to maybe do a voiceover or commentary, so I'm gonna give it a shot. This is CoD World War II, decided to pick it up again, haven't played in a while. Decided to hop on, try this Resistance, download content out. Oh, I don't even know the name of this map, using the shotgun, and this first couple bit, like, the shotgun sucked, I guess, in the beginning, and now they kind of, like, patched it, so it's a little more aggressive, it's a lot easier to kill. So right here, you know, just going a little ham with the incendiary rounds, and then I thought I was actually out of ammo, but I wasn't. Found that in this game mode, like Demolition, I either do really well, or I really suck. And I was kind of on a little streak, so I thought I'd try to streak up some more kill streaks. And in the beginning, it's pretty slow. I'm not doing very well. And all of a sudden, I don't know, something just clicked and started going off. And we are back. So, still rocking the shotgun. I think I switch up here pretty soon, but this one guy's about to get turned on. Right here. But I've noticed the resistance or whatever that perk is that makes you in the left-hand corner, like it makes your screen all blurry. I hate that because it gives away your position super easy and everyone knows where you are. But I think I die one more time and then I switch classes, I'm not quite sure. But I get pretty lucky with some of these nade tosses.
Enemy recon aircraft,
tip, throw them on the bomb site because you never know if someone's going to be there.
Get to cover.
But I'm not quite sure what's happening. Yeah. So I'm just going to talk again when something happens. Look at that guy. I remember that guy. Just laying prone like a little bitch. Some of you guys might say I'm camping or not playing the objective, but like I said before, these guys are pretty good at planting the bomb, so I might as well support my team with racking up kill streaks and taking on the outside of the map. I think this is gonna get lucky. Yep, that's right. Boom, boom. I mean, the shotgun does pretty good damage as long as you get the shots off right. And I think I get. Yeah. Goddamn stick grenade. Yeah, so here we go. I'm switching up to the duck soup, the PPSH. And once I pick that up, and the round switches, that's when all the kill streaks start racking up. Fail toss right there on the concussion or whatever you call that.
Firing division artillery. Target position.
See, here's an example of the nade. Boom. Just chucked it on B and ended up killing someone. I don't know how I survived right here. I survived, I think, for a little bit on this upper platform. Sometimes I find this gun kills really fast, and other times it kills really slow. Like that guy just seems to soak up the hit markers. It's just an explosion fest. See, I knew he was there because of his low resistance and giving away. I try to go pick up the gun and end up dying by this. Yep.
Coordinates confirmed. Firing on target. Good work. Rest up for the next push.
Fire and move.
Demolish their supply line. Enemy airdrop observed. Deny the enemy care package observed.
So I switched to this class that has ordnance or whatever that perk or class is called where you can reroll your care package. It was actually a good idea I did that because I got pretty lucky with rerolling some of my care packages without the C. I think, yeah, artillery barrage.
Artillery ready for orders. Awaiting coordinates.
I know I reroll when I get the fire bomber or whatever that thing's called.
Enemy recon aircraft
This
observed.
is a really well balanced gun. Kills pretty fast, it's decent, not a bunch of recoil. Sound like a complete fucking nerd, but
Find cover.
yeah, I
Recon
used to
flight
play a
concluded.
ton of Call of Duty when I was
Enemy
little,
bomb.
like
Incendiary
elementary,
bombs incoming. Enemy recon aircraft observed.
maybe middle school. Kind of middle school. I mean, I used to play almost competitively where I won money playing Call of Duty
Recon
4,
aircraft
COD
ready.
4, which was my jam.
Explosive flank.
I mean, this gameplay doesn't make me look good at all. It's
Incoming
super
enemy
rusty.
artillery. Get to cover.
But
Firing division
when I used to
artillery.
play, that's all I did. I didn't really spend much time with homework.
Airdrop on your signal.
I didn't just go out and hang out with friends. I was basically playing Call of Duty. I should have, man, that's what I should have done with my channels. I should have got a recording device and record some of those gameplays. But looking back at some of those big YouTubers now that just record Call of Duty, I mean, the way I think I was going, if I continued it up, damn, it just I could have taken it somewhere, but I got tired of just playing constantly. Like it consumed your life. You're sitting there for quite a while, and I think that's maybe participates to why I get pretty bored of this game kind of fast now. I can only sit down for maybe an hour at a time before it's just I get bored, unless it's just like I'm getting insane kill streaks. I think this is also a grenade that I no, hit my move. But also I found like Call of Duty over the years have gotten a lot easier for I guess you could say less advanced players. Like COD 4 was you're either really good and you destroy everybody, you're decent and you do okay, or you're really bad and you can't do any better. Like I found this one, all the guns are pretty fast to kill, so even if you do get shot sometimes, you'll have time enough to stick around for the next person. But this map right here, this little that little section I'm in, you'll see later, it's a pretty good head glitch spot. Just your upper torso and head show, and you really pick those guys off. Now, I like this kill streak carpet bomb, but I do find it's kind of hard to figure out where it's going to go, so you can't get killed by your own carpet bomb, so just be careful of that. But, I mean, if you guys want to see more of this, I kind of figure out how to capture gameplay. I know this is mainly a car channel, and you guys probably enjoy that more, but if you guys want to see more Call of Duty videos, let me know, and I'll definitely post them up.
Air package ready for airdrop. Mark the drop zone. Recon fighter pilot inbound. Strafing the target. Firebombing run ready. Call for incendiary. Recon flight concluded. Low altitude bomber inbound. Incendiary mission artillery ready for orders. Waiting fire zone confirmation. Engaging enemy aircraft. Recon aircraft in your area. Explosive flash. Recon aircraft ready for mission. Recon searching for targets. Recon flight concluded. Well done, soldiers. Head to the rear and rest up.